Hello guys. Today's video is on the 5 best mini drone of 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we got you covered. For more information of the product, I have included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. At number 5 we have Ryze Tello. They set out to build the most fun drone ever, and we came up with Tello, an impressive little drone for kids and adults that's a blast to fly and helps users learn about drones with coding education. Get yourself a Tello to find out just how awesome flying can be. Flying Tello couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. Fly with a breathtaking first-person view. Industry-leading components to ensure stable flights. Whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home, you can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Thanks to all the tech that Tello's packing, like a flight controller powered by DJI, you can perform awesome tricks and with just a tap on screen. Flying has never been so fun and easy. Start flying by simply tossing Tello into the air. Slide on screen to perform cool aerial stunts. Tello flies up and down from your hand automatically. Equipped with a high-quality image processor, Tello shoots incredible photos and videos. Even if you don't know how to fly, you can record pro-level videos with easy shots and share them on social media from your smartphone. Tello's lightweight, yet durable design combined with software and hardware protections make it so you can always fly with confidence. At number 4 we have Holystone HS170. If you're looking for something small and simple that can fly through indoor obstacle courses without damaging itself or your house, the Holystone HS170 Predator certainly fits the bill. This drone can buzz around inside with decent agility, but is light enough and has sturdy enough propellers guards that collisions with walls or bookcases are unlikely to leave any marks. The Predator's flight is very simple, and for a tiny drone without any sort of flight sensors, it is relatively stable. You definitely get a more by the seat of your pants flying experience that requires some practice, but after a couple of flying sessions we were able to hold the Predator in a decent hover without too much frantic feathering of the joysticks. We were also able to get it on some stable flight paths and perform some reasonably intricate turns, even threading the needle between some desks and computer monitors. The drone itself is also very light, so all of the crashes leading up to that threading of the needle didn't cause any damage to the drone. Obviously, you won't want to fly the Predator within close proximity of people, but we've watched it bounce off many household objects without damaging them or itself. This drone certainly tailors to those looking for a toy that can fly around inside the house for general amusement, and in our experience it very much delivers on that promise. At number 3 we have DJI Mavic Air 2. Mavic Air 2 takes power and portability to the next level, offering advanced features in a compact form factor. Intelligent shooting functions and excellent image quality put aerial masterpieces within reach. Safer, smarter flight enables you to up your game while fully enjoying the creative process. Master creative aerial shots thanks to effortlessly smooth 4K/60 FPS video. The D-Cine-like flat color profile retains more information for post-processing. The HEVC H.265 video codec records more image information, uses less storage, and preserves the dynamic range and detail of your footage, ensuring next-level content. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. A single frame separates exposure levels in different areas, accurately capturing light and dark details. The images are layered to create a colorful, balanced, and eye-catching picture with higher dynamic range. With a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, Mavic Air 2 captures impressive 480p photos. Get ready to take your aerial content to the next level. Mavic Air 2 features Smart Photo, which integrates scene recognition, hyperlight, and HDR into one mode for optimal results. Scene recognition optimizes different camera parameters for various scenes and supports intelligent recognition of 5 categories: sunset, skies, grass, snow, and trees. Mavic Air 2 offers DJI's most advanced panorama mode, with a higher dynamic range and colors that are vivid and incredibly accurate. At number 2 we have Potensic A20. Fast and agile, you could control the drone fly toward any directions by remote controller. Once expert, you could adjust it to the high speed and fly through the obstacle course hoops by Eagle Pro. Easy to fly, with altitude hold, headless mode and one key taking off/landing, you could fly it without worrying about the direction and control it easier. Portable, it's the width of an iPhone 5. Besides, it's extremely lightweight and easy to carry. A great gift for kids, easy to play, you can race with your kids. Please pair them respectively. Features. Headless mode. Simply click the headless mode button, it will allow you to fly the drone according to the orientation of the controller without worrying about which direction the drone is facing. This makes flying easier even for beginner. One key to take off/land. To start a drone, only 4 steps are required. 1. Put the drone on a flat ground. 2. Pair the drone with controller. 3. Press 1 key start, the Potensic A20 drone will fly up and hover at about 1.2 m. 4. Push stick to move the drone up/down/forward/backward/right/left/counterclockwise/clockwise. Altitude hold. Altitude hold function enables drones to auto hover. The drone can stay at current height when pilot's hands are off the controller until receiving next instruction from transmitter. At number 1 we have DJI Mavic Mini. The compact yet powerful Mavic Mini is the perfect creative companion, capturing your moments in a way that effortlessly elevates the ordinary. Together with the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, you'll enjoy a simplified flying experience and a perspective unlike any other. Mavic Mini lets me capture some of our most cherished family moments from an amazing new perspective. Weighing under 250 grams, Mavic Mini is almost as light as the average smartphone. This makes it exceptionally portable and places it in the lowest and safest weight class of drones, which in many countries may exempt it from certain regulations. The new DJI Fly app offers a simple and intuitive user experience, enabling you to create cinematic shots with just a few taps. It even has Flight Tutorial, a feature to help you get started with Mavic Mini quickly and safely. Mavic Mini comes equipped with a 360 degrees propeller guard that fully protects the propellers and improves flight safety. Thanks to advanced sensors, Mavic Mini can also hover precisely. Mavic Mini supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K Quad HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear, ultra-smooth footage. A dedicated remote controller maintains an HD video feed at a distance of up to 4 kilometers. Detachable control sticks can be easily stored inside the remote controller for added portability. Shots that look like they came from a Hollywood film set are just a few taps away with Mavic Mini's quick shot modes, which include drone, circle, helix, and rocket. Just select your quick shot and Mavic Mini will execute an elaborate preset motion while recording. Take the automatically generated short video and share it instantly with friends on social media.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.